Hello, this is just a quick tutorial on how you can back up your WolfQuest saves on Windows. The first thing you're going to want to do is make it to your File Explorer, which mine is just on my taskbar. You could also search for it and just type in File Explorer. It's also in your Start menu, this little icon here. But regardless of how you access it, you're going to want to go to Documents and find a little folder called My Games. When you go inside it, you're going to find WolfQuest Anniversary, and this User Files folder is what you're going to want to right-click and copy. I'm doing it twice just so you can see, and I'm going to paste it on my desktop. Personally, you can put it wherever you like, and I'm going to rename it. Just you don't have to do this, but strongly recommended. I like to say WolfQuest Backup, and then something else I really recommend doing is putting the date that you made the backup, just so you know how old it is if you ever need to revert to that save. And also, you can see if you need to update that backup and do it every so often. But essentially, that's how you make a backup of your WolfQuest saves on Windows.